Welcome. This is your sacred time, a moment to realign, refocus, and reconnect with the version of yourself that already has everything you desire. Everything you seek is already within you. All you have to do is tune in. This is a guided meditation for manifestation, a journey inward to awaken your power, clear your energy, and align with your highest timeline. So let's begin. Find a quiet, peaceful space. Sit or lie down in a way that feels comfortable to your body. Allow your eyes to close gently. This is your moment. Let the outside world melt away. Take a deep breath in. Feel the air move through your nose. Hold it gently. Now exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of anything heavy. Let's do it again. Inhale deeply. Fill your lungs, expand your belly. Hold it. Now exhale fully, releasing tension, stress, and overthinking. One more breath, this time invite in calm. Breathe in, hold, and release. Allow your body to soften now. Let go of everything that's not serving you in this moment. Let go of worry, fear, doubt, and distraction. None of that belongs here. Right now, you are exactly where you need to be. Feel the surface beneath you. Let it support you. You are safe, you are held, you are grounded. Now slowly bring your awareness to your feet. Relax them completely. Let that feeling of relaxation travel up your legs, to your hips, to your lower back, your stomach, your chest, your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands, and finally to your face. Soften your jaw, unclench your teeth, let your forehead relax. With every breath, feel yourself sinking deeper. Into calm, into stillness, into alignment. Now imagine a soft, golden light forming above your head. It's warm, loving, and filled with powerful manifestation energy. This golden light holds the frequency of everything you desire, already fulfilled. Visualize this light gently descending. It touches the crown of your head, flows down your spine, fills your heart space, moves through your core, and radiates out to every part of your being. You are glowing with pure potential. This is you, aligned with your higher self, the version of you that already has it all. Now quietly ask yourself, what do I want to manifest? Let the answer come to you with ease. It might be love, abundance, health, freedom, joy, purpose, clarity. Whatever it is, don't chase the vision, become it. See it in vivid detail. Where are you? What are you doing? What do you look like? How do you feel? Now step fully into that version of yourself, the version of you that already has it. Breathe in their confidence. Feel their peace. Embody their energy. Now affirm with me, silently or out loud. I am aligned with the vibration of my desires. I am open and ready to receive. What I desire is already mine. I am worthy of everything I envision. The universe supports me in unexpected and miraculous ways. I trust the divine timing of my life. Pause here. Let those words settle into your body, not as hope but as truth. Now take a moment to express gratitude. Thank the universe. Thank your higher self. Thank the vision for already being yours. Gratitude is the secret frequency. It magnifies your manifestation. Say silently in your heart, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now it's time to gently return to the present moment. Begin by noticing your breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale softly. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Roll your shoulders lightly. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Remember this. You don't manifest by forcing. You manifest by aligning, by embodying, by trusting. You've already begun the process. Your energy is powerful. Your vision is clear. And your reality is now catching up. Thank you for joining this meditation. If this brought you peace or clarity, give it a like, share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more guided journeys.